Well, it's almost 5 o'clock and it's still snowing like this. Got the roof cleaned off once already, but I started shoveling on the other side, but we're getting there. I'm gonna get the tractor out tomorrow. It's just way too much snow right now to do anything. I don't feel like it. That's a nice thing about being retired. Well, the solar panels are all full again, but it'll be fine. Look at this place. Look at the trees. Look at that. I can't see anything besides there. We're gonna white out. Wifey and I are out walking, snowshoeing. Pretty nice. Look at that. Having fun? Oh!
Having a ball. Embracing winter.
I plowed this road a couple of days ago, and
I think you missed a spot.
yeah, I missed a spot. Oh God, you gotta have fun, you know? Yep. Look at this. Complete whiteout. Whoa, that snow's deep.
Snow seems deeper here.
The snow seems deeper here.
Well, there's no trees.
Yeah,
Stop
no
it.
trees. Yeah. This is beautiful. Oop. Switch hands, my hands are cold. There. Oop. We bought these snowshoes, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. And how many times have we used them? A couple of years? Did we ever use them in years?
Once in 4 years and then twice in the last 2 days.
Yeah. Yeah. We're just out having fun. Oh, this is deep here. Holy cow, look how deep that is.
I know, look how deep it is. Is that like, I don't know, more than a foot, I think.
Yeah.
And it's not done yet.
Oh, not done yet at all. We got some snow shoveling to do between the cabin and the shipping container. But I'm going to start doing a little bit now, here and there. Honey, go over there, grab that branch. Keep walking over there, grab that branch. That one way up there, straight
Oh,
ahead.
one way up?
Yep.
Okay, off I go. There's a big old hole here. What's that from?
I don't know why there's a hole there.
I see a hole.
It's probably a divot from a, I don't know. It goes down about 10 feet. I don't know what the hole's doing there. Wow. What are you doing?
Going around the hole.
Look at that. It's above my knees.
Yep.
You're in the snowbank that I plowed.
Yeah, I
You're in
know.
the worst spot to be.
Obviously. Well, I was trying to avoid the hole.
The hole was nothing,
Says you.
says me.
Okay. It's not if I want to grab it.
Just-
All right, I'm going to get snow on me.
Your coat's all wet. You need a better coat. You need a raincoat or something on top of that thing. If you're going to be out here in the winter,
What I have.
you need to get better clothes. Woo!
Yep.
Yeah, I think we should head back. I got shoveling to do.
Turning around.
Yep. You having fun?
Having a ball.
Have a ball. Done? Well, you like her videos? Okay. She's having a hard time.
Well, something up with this snowshoe, I think.
Yeah, we'll get used to it. Like our videos?
Like our videos. Like and subscribe. Follow us on our adventures.
Your adventures.
Snowy and otherwise.
All right, take care now.